be realistic about what's going to be cut back, or, you know, I know we're gonna be meeting with CLMP and this suggestion will come up to them, but sometimes if it means they have to buy more expensive equipment, put more money into what they're doing, they may be hesitant to do it, but in the long run, they're not doing us any favors by cutting off only to a certain height when our trees are twice as high as what they're servicing us, or servicing the town in doing. That was another suggestion that came up.
And there's a good point too, because we have them, they come out and trim trees around town. You'll have AT&T, the phone company, they come out and they trim, but only around their wires. And there may be something that's about to fall into the CLMP wires, but they won't touch that because that's not their wires.